everybody, I'm Keely.
I'm Alex.
And this is
Cooking with K&A.
Today we are making edible cookie dough. We thought it would be a fun little idea for all the kiddos. So what you're gonna need is a melted bowl of butter, about a cup of butter, 3 cups of flour. To make this safe and edible, you are going to put this in the oven at 350 for 5 to 6 minutes and heat it up. You are going to need a half a cup of sugar, 2 cups of chocolate chips, and a teaspoon of salt.
Then you're gonna need 2 teaspoons of vanilla, a half cup of the heavy whipping cream, 1 cup of brown sugar, and then spatula. We have a whisk. If you have a hand mixer, you can use that too, preference.
And a big bowl.
Yep.
So the first thing you are going to do is mix all of the butter and sugar, all the sugar inside this big bowl. So we're gonna go ahead and put half of our sugar in there.
And we're making this because regular cookie dough has raw eggs in it, so obviously you're not supposed to eat that. So this is a safe way to eat cookie dough and not get sick.
Okay, and now add your butter. Okay, so this is when you take your hand mixer,
We have a whisk.
or your whisk, either one, and mix all that in. So you are going to mix it until it looks about like this consistency. It's kind of light and fluffy. And then you are going to scrape all the sides down, make sure all the ingredients are down in there.
Go.
Okay, and then you are going to add your heavy cream and your vanilla. And then you'll mix it all over again. Be careful, it might splash out on you, so.
All right, after you're done mixing it, you wanna scrape down the sides again. At this point, it should look like this.
Okay, so the next step, you are going to add your heated flour, the 3 cups of heated flour, and just slowly pour that in there. And I'll let you stir.
We're just doing it in little increments so it doesn't go everywhere whenever you start stirring it.
This is probably gonna be a little easier at home if you have a hand mixer instead of a whisk. Okay, so you'll mix all that up. We still have a little bit more, and I'm gonna go ahead and put in the salt.
Are we sure we need this much? All right.
That was the last bit of that.
As you can see, it's definitely getting thicker. It gets a little messy.
It does get a little messy, so be careful. And it's gonna get super thick, so if you need to take your spatula, just pull that out of there. Break down the sides, fold it into each other so it doesn't fall out.
We're trying to make it into one cohesive ball.
Okay, so now, even though it's not mixed all the way, you can go ahead and add your chocolate chips. She's gonna lay them on top, and you're basically gonna take the spatula and fold it on top of each other. If you can. And just keep adding more. Okay, so there you have it. There is your edible cookie dough. If you don't eat all of this right away, you can store it in your fridge for up to 3 days. So thank you guys for watching. We hope you enjoyed it.
We will see you next time.
Bye.